𝘿𝘖𝙣𝙗 Nail Renewal System is clinically proven to exfoliate and hydrate the nails so that they appear healthier, strong and shiny, and this is already after one application only. It's designed by a dermatologist who specializes in nail care, and she's called Dr. Dana Stern. This is a product for all of us whose nails can feel a bit unloved from time to time. You might have discoloration issues after using nail polish, you might have dry, weak nails, brittleness, or maybe you simply want shiny nails but without using nail polish. Either way, this system is going to get your nails that tender love and care that they deserve. This nail care system is clinically proven to help the appearance of your nails, leaving them smooth, healthy and glossy. It exfoliates and hydrates the cuticles and the surrounding skin, and this is done through natural botanic ingredients such as coconut oil, apricot oil, grapefruit peel oil and also vitamin E. The system consists of 3 easy steps, all of which you can do while you're relaxing on your couch. You twist the pen to get the product out, and it might take a few twists the first time you use it for the product to appear. And then you simply coat the droplets evenly across bare and clean nails. Let it sink in completely and then move on to step number 2. In step number 2, you're going to use the wand, and the wand has 3 different levels of roughness that's going to help you prime your nail and remove that surface layer of damaged nail cells, all of which will make you ready to go to step number 3. So you brush your nails with surface number 1, 2 to 5 times until you notice this fine powder. And then you repeat the same but with surface number 2. And then you have to finish it all up with surface number 3. And here you can press a bit harder and sweep a bit more back and forth until you get the desired shine. The innovative gel oil in step number 3 will condition and hydrate. And just like in step number 1, you simply twist the pen, apply the product to the nails, the cuticles and the surrounding skin. 3 simple steps, 10 minutes a week, that's all it takes for your nails to look healthy, strong and shiny. Enjoy!